unresolved UAP report over the Atlantic Ocean again, but this one was in 2016. The first one was in 2020 that we've seen, and we're on the second page. So we're gonna go over here. Video description. The United States Northern Command submitted a report of an unidentified anomalous phenomenon, aka UAP, to all domain anomaly resolution office. AARO, consistent of 39 seconds of video. The sensor zooms in and out to pan track area contrast panning to keep it generally within the center of the frame. The sensor switches mode. A white rectangle surrounds the area of contrast. The sensor starts tracking object, causing it to exit the right side. Now let's see what it's talking about. Let's see what it's talking about right here. See the new UFO file. Oh. Okay. I see like a disc shape. No, that's like an orb. I mean, it's definitely something. Yeah, I feel like that was an orb. That was a UFO. That was an orb. See it right there in the corner right here. It's the video start right here. Let's watch that again. Let's watch that again right there. That's so I thought that was a spaceship when it first zoomed up, right? But as it was moving out the frame, you see like the orb. It's like an orb. That wasn't like the that wasn't like the deformed balloon we just seen. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Okay, man. That guy just got out. So we'll go with the orb on that one. Mm. Let's go with this one. Unresolved UAP report. Eastern United States 2019. What's the Eastern United States? That's like the East Coast. That's Navy submitted a report of an underfly of a UAP to the AARO consistent 20 seconds video and accompanying range field for you down to the descriptions. And area contrast is visible near the center of the screen. Okay. The sensor changes its level of zoom and displays mode, flashing white before returning to a normal function. Sensor change setting causing the screen to flash white. Let's see. They won't read a file with it. That's an orb. That's an orb. That's an orb. It's an ISB. It's an intergalactic. It's a. That's an orb. That's an aura. Orb. Intergalactic spiritual being. See, I just feel like when that when extraterrestrial beings break off from the spaceship, it's like they turn into orbs. My belief. That's my belief. But I feel that's an orb. This is just my opinion now, right? This is just my opinion. This is not the facts. We're just, giving my opinion on the unreleased files they just dropped on 710. What I'm saying is not facts. This is my opinion. I just want to make that very clear. Very clear. All right here. And go up. Unresolved UAP reports, Eastern United States 2020. So this one was in 2019. This one was in 2020. I wonder if it was the same area. This one was kind of dark, like a forest. Several small areas of contrast. So when I see the word contrast, I've come to the conclusion that's meaning the UFO. Obviously, I could have looked up the definition and came to did it that way, but I've been going through these files quite a little bit for the last few days. So, but yeah, just in case you guys don't want to go look it up yourself, contrast is basically the UFO or the UAP. Allegedly, my opinion. These are not facts. These are unreleased files. So that's why they, well, these are facts. And shut the hell up. Everybody just watch the goddamn video. I'm gonna shut up. It's like it's ricocheting. That's a good.
Last station, calling street faster again.
I didn't even know I had a damn. Was this a helicopter? Might have been a helicopter following this one guy. Mm. You know they love the water. There's a whole base underwater. Belief, not facts. Belief. So maybe that's why. So we have another one. Wait, what was the file to this? Did they have a file to that, or was it the last one? It's right here. Let's look at the file. File real quick. I want to look at this file. Look at this file. Uh huh. Uh huh. There we go. Uh huh. Add it to the screen right here. I just want to. I wish there was a way we could just lock this in right here so I don't have to keep, you know. But other than that, this is A1. This is A1. So, please complete file with this. Please attempt. So, this is the file basically they have to fill out if they probably seen the BS. Request form. Range file report. Please not use purple submit button. Save. Let's go. Thank you for your time. Please ensure all display ribbon. Okay. 121. I. Oh, that was a damn. Two other crew members. Navy. Well, two other crew members. If you hear that in the background, somebody doing fireworks and yeah. Oh, they really on it. Two other crew members, Navy civilians, and blah blah blah. USFR's contractor and two pilots were onboarding a civilian King Air redacted in between mission sorties. I noticed an object with flight characteristics unlike anything I had seen in my 28 years of performing. Redacted. He said, I noticed an object with flight characteristics unlike I had seen in my 28 years of performing. God damn. From the USAF and the Navy. A small object was below us and appeared to be traveling in a straight line opposite our direction. At high speed, I tracked it for 10 to 15 seconds before we turned on the recorder to provide the attached video. That was the video we just seen, by the way. When I zoomed in and tried to achieve more resolution, the object speed took out. The object speed took out my FOV, and I was unable to reacquire it, even at a lower zoom. Upon analysis, after the flight, the object appeared to be rectangular. Ooh. Others, that boy, this man done seen some shit. Others with equal or more experience were also unsure as to what this object might be. Mm, that's about right. That about right. That about right. That about right. They said. He said, in 28 years, I never seen nothing like this, gang. In 28 years. Oh, yeah. So, I think we're on this one. Auto check directile. Let's see what this talking about. I see right there. It's a black dot. Oh, it's not gonna zoom in, is it? Oh, it's zooming in. It's zooming in. Oh, oh, no. Oh, wait, nah. Nah, is that? I look like a duck. Looks like a duck. It looks like a duck. Yo, it looks like a duck. Bro, tell me that don't look like a duck. See when it gets closer. It looks like a duck in the sky. Don't that looks like a duck. That looks like a duck. Where's a flying duck? It's a, oh, yo. My dumbass. I'm sorry, you guys. You guys were not seeing what I was seeing. Let's do that again. Bring it back. Look at this, guys. So it starts off like this. No. Okay, guys, let's start from top. I'm sorry, I didn't put the thing on top. I didn't put the video on the stage. You see the little black dot right there? Like the black dot. At first, you're probably thinking it's probably an orb. You know, UAP. I just call those orbs. You know, that's what I call it. My belief. But this is what gets crazy when it locks on. That's see, like it does that lock on junk. Boom. Watch. It looks like. Bro, wait, bro. What the? That's a duck. Is that a duck? Is that a duck, my guy? That's a flying duck. Bro, hold on, bro. Nah, stay your ass. Right. I slow. You know what? I'm doing better. I'll do the playback speed to 0.5 on your dumb ass. Come on. We all see this flying duck, y'all. That thing look like a duck. DUCK. Look at this duck. Look at this duck. Look at that. Bro, what the heck is that? Now it got me thinking like, nah, that's more than an orb. What the heck? Bro, that's a duck, gang. What? That's a duck. That was a duck shit, boy. That was the Mighty Ducks. That was the Mighty Ducks. I swear to God, that was the Mighty Ducks. Well, okay. That's different. That's different. That's different. Okay, let's go back to all right, back on that. Mm, that's okay. Like that one. Which one we just seen? So we just seen that one. So we might already seen this one before. Yeah, that's one we seen. Just want to make sure we're on track. I don't want to play the same video. So this one's an unresolved UAP report, Eastern United States in 2015. What was talking about? Mm. The United States UAP, blah 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 blah. No formal data. No formal data handling practices for UAP, blah blah blah. Audio video description. No formal data handling practices, UAP related records existed at this time. This media was reported to UAPTF. This media was digitally altered before being reported to the UAPTF and is presented as it was received by the AARO. An area of contrast became visible near the center of the screen. The area of contrast transits the The area of contrast transits the sensor field of view, moving from right to left before exiting from upper left corner of the frame. Let's see. Let's take a look at this. All right, but contrast is basically the UAP. I ain't gonna say basically, in my opinion. Whoa! Wait. Does it come back? Oh. Ah. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Wow. Cause I've been in his eyes like 10 million fireflies. Ah. Wait, hold on. Let me see. I want to play that song with it. Let me play that song with it. Cause I can't believe my eyes. There you go. I'm gonna play that song. It said like 10 million fireflies, yo. Look at that. That's crazy. You will not believe your eyes. Eh. Yo, that junk. It's just gonna fight so smoothly. So smooth. That's crazy, bro. That's crazy. That's crazy. That junk look like a movie. That junk look like a movie. That junk look like Superman just rode by. That's cool. That's cool though. I mean, yeah, that's cool to me.